Welcome to the fourth episode of the Bluetimes EZCAD tutorial. Today, we'll unlock a key skill in surface marking, using the rotary axis. Whether it's cups, rings, or cylindrical parts, mastering this lets you achieve full 360 degrees precision engraving. First, make sure the rotary axis is connected to the control card. Then, open the EZCAD software. Bluetimes machines come with built-in components, and the default parameters are preset at the factory for easy use. You only need to adjust your custom settings. First, let's start by typing Bluetimes. Now, let's move on to the hatch settings. Click H and set the spacing between 0.03 and 0.05. Next, rotate it 90 degrees. Click Modify. Transform. Rotate, the second icon. Select Rotate Around Center. And click Apply until the text is rotated to 90 degrees. Then open Laser. Rotary text marking, third option from the bottom. Set the rotary axis diameter based on the size of your workpiece. Here, I'll enter 62 mm. You can leave the pulse column as it is. No need to change it. When clamping the workpiece, make sure its axis is perfectly aligned with the rotary axis. Otherwise, the engraving might come out uneven. During focusing, ensure the laser spot is aimed at the center height of the curved surface. Once everything is set, click Mark. The rotary axis will begin to rotate in sync, and the laser head will engrave precisely along the circular path. Soon, you'll see the design evenly engraved all around, perfectly aligned from every angle. Now let's move on to graphic marking. Start by selecting a vector graphic, resize it to fit your design. Then fill it and return it to its original position. Click Modify. Choose Relative Center and rotate the graphic 90 degrees. Next, go to Laser, Split Marking 2. Parameter, and adjust the compensation value. The system will automatically unwrap the flat design into a circular layout. This step is crucial. It determines how precisely your design aligns on the curved surface. Everything's ready. Let's go. After marking, if you notice a small gap in the lines, return to the parameter settings and fine-tune the gap compensation until the engraving appears smooth and continuous. Now, here are some common issues and quick tips. If your text looks tilted after marking, check whether the circumference value is accurate, or if the rotation direction was set the wrong way. And if your graphic appears stretched or squished, make sure its width doesn't exceed the workpiece's circumference, and that there's no scaling distortion. Okay, once you master rotary marking, your laser machine can handle a whole new range of industrial applications. Follow Bluetimes. In the next episode, we'll uncover more laser tips and tricks to help you boost efficiency and scale up production with ease.